Hi, in this video we want to talk about how to draw faster the graph of y equal 8 cosine 5x minus pi. It is the example of how to, let me add a minus 3 here, how to draw it faster, because I told you in the previous video how to draw it with detail. Now some students like to draw it faster. So let's start with drawing it. So y equal, I know at first y equal 8 cosine x. Okay, the graph of y equal 8 cosine x is like this. I know how to draw the graph of y equal cosine x. So it started from 8 and minus 8 is down. Now I know it started from here, go down and pass to here. It is 2 pi and it is 3 pi over 2, and this is pi over 2, and this is pi. Okay, let's go to the next part. Now I have y equal 8 cosine 5x. To draw it, you should have these steps. By these steps, you should draw the graph in the fast way. So, 8 cosine of 5x. As we know, I can easily find the intersection with x-axis by cosine of 5x equals 0. I know the cosine of 5x equals 0 in the angle pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So my 5x is pi over 2, then x is pi over 10, and another is 5x equals 3 pi over 2. So the answer x equals 3 pi over 10. I have this intersection with pi over 10 and 3 pi over 10, and I know my p is 2 pi over 5, so it will finish on 2 pi over 5. Now let's start. My amplitude doesn't change. It's 8. This is minus 8. Because I don't have shift on y-axis. So it passes from here, go down, and sorry, it's better to pass. It's not, it must. Passes to 3 pi over 10. This is the next step. For the other step, I try to draw the graph of y equal 8 cosine 5x minus pi. I know it should shift on x-axis. On phase shift we have. Now we should find the phase shift. So what is this? To find the phase shift, only need to make the bracket equal 0. So x should be pi over 5. I have a phase shift on pi over 5. Means I have pi over 5 phase shift. Means I should draw it and only need to have a shift on pi over 5. So and this is my start point. Means if I had before 0, it is pi over 5 now. If I had pi over 10, means plus pi over 5. And if I had 3 pi over 10, it is 3 pi over 10 plus pi over 5. So I have this graph. and again minus 8, and 8 doesn't change, only it starts from pi over 5 and it will finish with 3 pi over 5. Why? Because you have here pi, you have here p is 2 pi over 5 plus pi over 5. It will be end of the graph. And to understand what is the point that the graph passes from, only need to say y equal 0 here. So to y equals 0 means cosine of 5x minus pi equals 0. I don't want to solve it and show that how to this. Only I need to shift it, this graph. But it started from pi over 5. Let's start from here. It passes here and go and finish on 3. It is the shift on this graph, in this graph, as pi over 5. Now let's go to the next part, and here I have this graph. So easily need to draw the graph of only I have a new amplitude. Easily needs to draw the previous graph. It started from pi over 5 and finish at 3 pi over 5. But I know here I have a point 8 minus 3 and I have the point 8, so it is 5 means 8 minus 3, and I have minus 8 minus 3, so it is minus 11. Now I started this graph. Let's draw better. It is my graph. Thank you for watching this video, and please push the button and push the subscribe and like button. Thank you and have a good time.